Hello, creative people. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the enchanting world of watercolor and paint a fairy with foliage together. In this tutorial, I'll reveal the secrets to creating light effects, natural textures, and a magical atmosphere. If you enjoyed today's topic, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. The colors used will be explained during the video and can be found in the description. Don't forget to download the line drawing on Blogger, link in the description. Let's start with the foliage. Always imagine each leaf divided into 3 parts. Start by adding a little burnt sienna pigment. Wash the brush a little and draw the pigment with the water left on the brush. Now, add medium yellow to the second part. Wash the brush and draw the pigment. In the third part, start with Prussian blue mixed with medium yellow, wash the brush, and draw the pigment and finish with Prussian blue. Splash a little clean water over the leaf to create texture. Repeat this process on all the leaves, changing the order of the colors. You'll get a beautiful gradient. Now that all of the leaves are ready, let's create a central vein on each leaf with a very fine brush. To create the central vein, I used a very watered-down burnt sienna. For the skin, we'll create a mixture of skin tone with azure, red light, and yellow. Mix a little of these three colors until you reach the desired tone. If you have a skin tone pigment, you can use it. I start with a very watered-down shade. Then I darken the mixture a bit and apply it to the areas where I want some shadow. To refine the skin shading, I'll use raw sienna. Since she's a fairy, I'll make her hair red. For this, I used English red, red light, orange, and burnt umber. I start with a very watery base of English red. Then I follow the strands of the drawing and add a mixture of English red and red light. Mix the burnt umber with the red light and use a dry brush to create the hairs. Take advantage and download or buy my books on Amazon. They are still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers. The purchase link is in the video description. Now, let's create the mouth with permanent rose. Let's create a watery base for the mouth, and while it's drying, let's create the eyes. I'm going to make the eyes very colorful, so I'll use yellow-green, yellow, and Payne's gray. I'll start with a yellow, and while it's still wet, I'll add the yellow-green, leaving the edges of the eye with a yellow tone. Now that the mouth is dry, let's add another layer of permanent rose, leaving the center of the mouth still very light. For the droplets on the face, I used the same colors as the leaves. Use a black pen to draw the eyelashes and eyebrows. Only do this after you've finished painting the face. For the background, we'll use green blush and salt. Use a white pen to add highlights to the mouth and eyes. If you don't have metallic watercolor, use a gold glitter pen to make the earrings. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own art. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another weekly video. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. See you next time. Thank you for watching the video until the end.
Enjoy! They're still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.